Well, so far, in row number 1, tr/tr, we have column 1, td, and column 2, td/td. Next row. Here's row 2, tr/tr, this guy. Column 1, td/td, has p-word. Column 2, td/td. That's a input structure, a password box. Column 2. We also created a submit button with the words "Do it" on the button face, as seen here. Take note that row 1, column 2 text box, this guy right here, has an ID field, uname, capital U, name. And the row 2, column 2 password structure also has an ID field called p-word. I need the user keyed in values for both of these ID fields. Uname here, p-word here. Their values. So I go to my script tag. Underneath it, I make my yoLogin function. I can function, yoLogin, open close parens, curlies, two curlies, the function's start and end points. I make a new array, and I assign it to a variable A. Now, A, the array A, element 0, I'm going to assign it something. What am I going to assign it? Well, I say, Mr. Java, go to the web document, period, and get me an element therein, from therein. And he says, really? Well, how will I identify the right element? I says, by his ID. Okay, what is that element's ID, please? It's uname, right here. Oh, row 1, column 2, right? Yes, row 1, column 2, right here. But make sure you return the value in that field, please. This value, the user's login name, boole. So boole is assigned to element 0 of array A. Next, array A, element 1, equals something. Really, what does it equal? Well, again, go to the web document, get an element for me. You will identify it by its ID. Its ID is p-word. Get the value in that field, which will be the password the user keys in, and then put it into element 1. So A element 0 and A element 1 now contain the username and password, which I can check against my database. Well, that is for later. Right now, we got to trigger the execution of the function that'll grab those values. So go to your Submit button. Here it is. Input, type Submit. Name, sub, value, do it. And here, key in onClick equals. And there's the name of the function. You'll log in. OnClick equals, you'll log in, open close parens. And it must be in quotes. Let's run this program. Run, launch in Chrome. So I key in the data, gboole, and my secret password. I key in that data. And now I click here on Do It. It'll run that function, you'll log in. At the end of the you'll log in function definition, I put an alert message that will display the contents of array A, element 0, a space, and then the contents of array A, element 1. It says alert A, element 0, plus, a space, in quotes, plus, A, element 1, semi. And the alert box will tell me who the username is and what the password is. Ooh. And there it is. gboole, that's the username. Secret password, that was my secret password. Well now, so far it works. But we're not done yet. More later. This is George Boole. Bye-bye.